Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Stamp Club reveal. I'm excited to show you this one. This is actually one that Sylvia requested. So I think, it's going to be her baby set. I think she'll love it so much. But it also does something that you guys are always asking for too, and that is what can I put on the inside of my stamp sets? Now, it's not just for the inside, but this is going to work perfect for that. But before I show it to you, are you a member of the club? Why not? You'll love being in the club. This is our scripture club. We have two different clubs, one at the first of the month and then one at the second, and the second of the month is our scripture club. This is where you get a new, never before seen stamp set, never released before, and you can join the club today. All you got to do, click the button that says more under this video, and all the information is there for you. All right, I know you just want to see it. Let's look at it. This set is called Abundant Grace. I'm going to read these sentiments to you. It's exactly what you've been looking for. I know you're like Sylvia and me, wanting some good sentiments for the inside of the cards. This says, sending love and prayers, trusting God to do more than we can ask or imagine. That one's in honor of Vinny because he absolutely loves that scripture. And then, may grace find you and hold you gently in this time. When words fall short, God sees our need and knows our heart. This is actually from my dad. He would always say that when he would ask for prayer requests, and then he would say, God sees our needs and he knows our heart. And this one, holding you close in thought and asking God to bless you in every way. And down here, lifting you up and trusting God is working even now. Isn't that pretty? I think she did a really good job on these. And look at these flowers. So gorgeous. Now you got to see these samples. They're absolutely gorgeous. Are you ready for this? Miss Geneva, Miss Opal, they outdid themselves. Look how beautiful this is. I love this in the middle. It almost feels like a cross. Isn't that pretty? This one is lifting you up and trusting God is working even now. When you open the inside, isn't that pretty? Love it. So see, you can use them on the outside or the inside. This one, holding you close in thought and asking God to bless you in every way. When words fall short, God sees our need and knows our heart. Isn't that pretty? And then our last one here, love this. Sending love and prayers, trusting God to do more than we can ask or imagine. May grace find you and hold you gently in this time. I just think these are so great, and these sentiments are so good. Sylvia outdid herself. She even did the writing on this one. We worked together. I was like, I like this verse. I like this thing my dad said, and she put it all together for us, and I think it turned out perfect. You are going to love this one for the insides and the outsides of your cards, but it'll just give you a little something extra to be able to say when you're sending cards. All right, here's the deal. If you make a project using this stamp set, take a photo of it, load it to our customer gallery at maymaymadeit.com, and that enters you to win a $50 gift card. We give one away every month, and you might have won last month, so you want to be sure to check the top line of this video to see if your name is there so you can see if you were the lucky winner. Hey, thanks so much for being a part of our club. We love having you in the club, and until next time, bye now.